This is my first live, and I've come to unbox my stuff. So I hope you join in on with me. Here we go. I'm excited. Maybe too excited. I can't get it open. You see the red live button? I'm here live with you. Talk to me. Let me know how you are. If you're seeing the repeat, just drop me a line. Hopefully you'll catch me next time. This is all right. Let's see what colors I got. Put the paste on. So we have Couture Teal, Candy Apple, Couture Coral, Grape Soda, and black. A big jar of black and a big jar of white. Say hello when you're jumping on. Let me know who's here. So I got a happy birthday. Don't know about you, but summer is my happy place. Have courage and be kind. I am an original. I got it from my mama. I think we almost all can say that about some part. Life is your story. Write well, edit often. And last but not least, be brave and strong. So, in the comments, when you jump on, let me know what your favorite one is. Let me know which one you would like me to chop for you. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.